All right, here we are at question number 3 from the 2014 Math 7 SOL test. It asks us, which scientific notation answer is equivalent to this standard notation number? So really, this is a pretty simple question if you remember how to transfer standard numbers into scientific notation. So let's go ahead and take our given number, 0.0000012, and write it in scientific notation. Well, if you recall, to turn a standard written number into scientific notation, you must move the decimal to the right side of the leftmost non-zero digit. So in this number, the leftmost non-zero digit is this 1 right here. And according to my little rule, we must move our decimal to the right side of that number. So to move it to the right side of that number, it would have to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, turning this into a 1.2. Now it doesn't just stay a 1.2, we also have to multiply it times 10 to the sum power. Well, this sum power is determined by how many jumps we just made. Since we made 5 jumps, we're going to put a 5 there. Now all we need to do is determine if this is a positive 5 or a negative 5. That is determined by the direction we're jumping. Or, to make it a little easier, you can remember it this way. If the number that you have is an extremely small number like what we have here, then your exponent will be a negative exponent. If this were a very, 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 very large number, then the exponent would be a positive exponent. Regardless, our answer 1.2 times 10 to the negative fifth is equivalent to this decimal, so we would choose this answer. While we're at it, let's just try another one. What if we had 345 million, and we were asked to turn this into scientific notation? Well, again, we would move our decimal to the right side of the leftmost non-zero digit. Well, since this 3 is the leftmost non-zero digit, the decimal, which I don't even see one, will need to move to the right side of it, so it would go right here. So where is the decimal? Well, if you don't have a decimal in place, you simply stick it on the end of the number to get yourself started. And to move it from the end of the number to this location, we jump some places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places. So 345 million becomes 3.45, but it's not just 3.45, it's times 10 to the number of jumps we just made, and that was 8 jumps. Now, is this 8 a positive or a negative? Well, if you recall the rule that I just talked about, if this is an extremely large number, which it is, the exponent is positive. If it was an extremely small number, like our first example, the exponent will be a negative. And that's how we determine whether the exponent is positive or negative when converting from standard to scientific. All right, everybody. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.